What's going on, guys? So I know a lot of you guys signed up for the futures combine, try to get started in getting funded through the prop firm. So we're going to take a look at the Nasdaq 100. We're going to go ahead and kind of see what we're working with here. So futures market reopened today on Sunday. A couple of good trades. I know Andre took a $400 trade short on the Nasdaq 100. So what I'm looking at here is /NQ. Obviously, this is the E-minis. If you're trading the micros, same chart. It's just ticker symbol /MNQ. With that being said, futures are down 114 points on the session. I'm going to show you a couple of good setups using the 20 SMA here. As you can see right here, right around 1620 military standard time, what we're looking at here is a first close below the 20 shortly after the markets kind of opened here. We get this first close below the 20, then we get 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes worth of consolidation. If I was to draw a price level line and kind of use this as our entry, this 14,342 would have been the short entry. As we took this priced out, we would have got short, either sold one or two lots, which is contract sizes, sold one or two contracts here of the NQ short, and we could have ridden this for 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes before it slowly started to reverse and test the 20. So one thing that I do want to point out, when we are in a downtrending sell cycle, meaning that futures just opened, we're looking extremely weak, we sold off, we are not looking to get long immediately after the first retest. So this is your short entry here. You would have made great money on the way down. And as we start to back test, there is no long trade here. Okay, there's no long trade. All this is a leg down. This is a back test of the 20. Yes, it does close over the 20, but we're not looking to get long because, for one, we did not take out the price high, and this is just a back test. And as it back test again, it presented another short opportunity. If I kind of draw my price level line here at the 14,290 area, as we confirmed that level to the downside, this presented another flush opportunity. So potentially you could have taken two shorts on the Nasdaq 100 today. On Sunday, today is obviously the 10th. You could have taken two short positions. These would have paid out extremely well using our strategy with the 20 SMA here. And now here we are again on our second back test of the 20. One thing that I do want to point out, going all the way back to last week on Friday, we've been putting in these lower highs. So if we kind of look here, we started off in this region around this 14,493 area, and then we kind of came down, we washed out, we bounced, lower high, washed out, bounced, lower high, washed out, bounced, lower high, washed out, bounced. So are we going to continue to keep, riding this staircase down? Is yet to be determined. But if we do reclaim this 20 SMA, if you're a little bit more risk hungry, you could try to take the long opportunity. Just understand one thing: when we are in a downtrending cycle, the follow through on the long side is not going to be that much. The 200 SMA is definitely going to be your resistance. So even if we do reclaim this area, we're going to be looking for these prior levels that we broke down from to act as resistance. From the price level currently here at around 14,227 into 14,290, and then to 14,310, and then from 14,310 to 14,342. The moral of the story is a lot of supply ahead. So what does that tell you? The market's going to be extremely, extremely choppy. I don't think that the market really starts to reverse and bounce until we clear out the 14,398 area, which is about 150 points away. That's not to say that there will not be a scalp to the long side, but just understand that if you do take that scalp to the long side, you want to take profits quick. Okay, so if you're practicing right now and you guys want to practice a strategy, get in on the close, on the confirmation close over the 20 SMA, and then just take profits on the way up. The next big trade will be obviously when we lose the 20 coming back down. Current lows in the after hour session is 14,196. So definitely if we wash out through this level, this is going to present another scalping opportunity to the downside. So if we quickly pop above the 20 SMA, then kind of chop around, lose a 20 SMA, and then confirm that to the downside, 14,196 is going to be your area to scalp that to the downside. Just if you are trading futures overnight, especially to the guys in Discord, if you're trading these futures overnight, keep these price levels on your charts. Okay. So if you guys are going through the combine to get funded, definitely you're going to want to execute all of your trades on the TraderVate platform. I personally execute my trades on TraderVate, but I like to chart on TOS just because I trade the options on TOS. I'm always on TOS. I do all of my charting on TOS. That's not to say that you can't do your charting on TraderVate, but on my second monitor that I have here, just to the right of me, that's off screen here, is where I execute my trades for buys and sells on the futures, and kind of just watch this main screen that I'm hovering my cursor around when I'm watching the futures. Hope this video helps. You guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. Also, make sure you guys are just trading the NQ and the ES to start, /MNQ, especially if you want to trade Nasdaq. And if you guys want to trade SPY, it's /MES. Stay away from /ES. Stay away from /NQ. Stay away from oil, especially in the beginning until you guys kind of get your legs under you, just because oil can move a little bit faster and it's a little bit more spreadier. You know, and you have to think about it. It's a $10 move per tick on oil. So, you know, your P&L can fluctuate a lot faster than trading /MNQ. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you guys all in the Discord.